Cool. So 3 deep breaths. Do you want to lead?
Okay.
I'll follow you. Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who are you? What do you do? And where are you from?
I'm Stephanie Buiguez. I do now workshop for babies. Yeah, in nursery and museums.
Oh, cool.
And I'm from France,
Very
Toulouse,
good.
and I lived in Paris and Marseille.
Amazing. I just want to come to a baby art workshop now. Let's just talk about that. So, what does living a good life mean to you?
It's being able to do what I want, when I want, and also have the mental space to 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 take joy in the little things like drinking a coffee, be at a coffee, just to have the mental space and to be free to do what I want when I want. If I want to go outside and have a coffee or have a nice walk, I can do it, and I can take the decision to my life.
Yeah, thank you. So, what intentional activity would you say has had the greatest impact on your life?
It will be the day I quit my previous job that was financial
You
controlling.
haven't always been a baby artist.
Before I would have said I wish I had, but it's not true because my previous life and this decision to quit my job has had the impact on my life, and my life would not have been the same if I have his previous activity. And when I quit my job, it took me a lot of time because it was secure, I earned money, and it was the life people wanted to me to have, and me at some point. And when I quit my job, and that's the best decision because all the action have been different from now. Is I decided not to be defined by my self-confidence because sometimes I don't feel confident and I say, okay, it doesn't matter, I'm going to do it anyway, and not to be limited by my fears. I fear a lot of things. Coming in Spain was scary for me, but I decided when I quit my job and from now to never listen to it. Well, never.
Oh, you have to show me how you do that. Very good. Amazing, thank you. So, what about the community? What intentional activity do you think will make the biggest difference in your community? Of babies. No, in your community, whatever that means for you.
I think it's listening, but really listening to people. Because we are in a world when we are always distracted by the phone, by all we see in the social media, and we are not anymore in the real life, and people are not anymore in the real life. So I think what makes the biggest difference is really sit and really listen, but listen to people, not thinking, what can I say, but just really listening to other people. And I think this can give also confidence to people because when someone is listening really to you, the person can really advise you or just listening, and you can just put your thought of your fears to another people who is really listening to you.
Thank you so much. And a one-line message of hope for the world, what might that be?
We can do everything what we want. Just we have to, with the fear, act, and even the smallest changes make a big change and find out.
Beautiful. Thank you. Very wise.
Thank you.
Like a heart to heart. Amazing. So wise. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Et